everyone, and welcome to this week's Plan With Me. This week we actually have the Bloomin' Blue collection. This is actually the 6-page deluxe kit. I'm uploading a video tomorrow with a little bit more in depth of the new pages in with the new kit formats. It actually comes in 8 pages, but I only have the 6 pages here since it's the normal deluxe kit. So I will show you guys a quick overview of this kit here, but tomorrow I'll show you guys all the pages and what they come with. I also printed this out on premium mat just because I really like the way the printer prints out the blues in this kit. So just so you guys know that this is on premium mat. So I'm gonna get started. By the way, this is last week's Plan With Me. Plan With Me's are going to go up 1 week after the fact, and so I'm gonna get started. Okay, so I'm not exactly sure what happened to my camera in the beginning of filming, but I think I kept trying to change the settings on me, so I tried to edit that out as much as I could. So by any chance I missed a piece and it looks like your screen is dimming, that was my camera, it's not you. Anyway, like this week I actually looked back at a lot of my old planners and tried to channel color coding columns so they're easier to read, but this week was like really boring in the sense that I just had tons of studying to do and homework to finish. So I spent the majority of like Monday to like Wednesday mostly going over all of my notes and finishing up my study guides while prepping for my assessment coming up for school and just working on like new like design things. I mentioned this before, but I'm working on releasing tons of like designer graphics and items that I've worked on like in the past like 10 years and updating them. So I'm like really just trying to go through them all and making sure that like the options that I have look ready, the listings are ready, and I can release them. And in case you're wondering what those are, I do have like fonts and a bunch of other things that I've used or made for clients. And I did change my usernames on 2 things on an Etsy that I have and an Instagram that I haven't used. That were just kind of like sitting there. And a side note, it's Gabriela Elena Studio. In regards to the sticker shop, I am not leaving. I'm just trying to like finish my portfolio. This is just like my side project. I've been meaning to do this literally for years, and honestly, it's just one of those things that I have to just do, since I actually have to keep updating that like literally like every month, but I just never do. I've been working on this for the past like few months like on the side. It's just becoming like more apparent that I have to just start releasing things because they're ready. I just need to get to it. Anyway, I have been trying to work ahead in my like sticker shop schedule because that way I have more time to work on whatever I need more time to work on or whatever needs to get done, and I don't feel behind. That way, in case school stuff takes a bit longer, the sticker shop or whatever I'm working on like doesn't suffer, and I don't have to put it on pause. I can just adjust my schedule that way. So currently, like sticker shop design wise, I have spring and Easter things coming sooner rather than later. I do want to do some spring like Easter themed items, and then I'm working on summer after that. So if you do have like kit suggestions or you want to see like a specific theme, leave them down in the comments down below. Anyway, other than that, I also want to start uploading more weekly for YouTube. Do need to be done with design work, so I actually am able to do so at the same time, since editing can take longer than, you know, designing one kit. Plus there's like I have to like produce the video and work on the entire thing. Obviously writing this down and talking out loud about it is like the only way to make sure that like I'm on track. And even then sometimes it doesn't get finished, but obviously like I'm trying to prioritize my work. So as long as I get like the priorities done, then everything else is just like second. So the first things are obviously, you know, like school, homework, new releases, orders, and then like working on design stuff. So those are basically the things I do like every week anyway. But in case you're wondering like the priorities for those, it kind of just depends on what day it is, honestly. And I'm just gonna be honest about that. If it's Tuesday, it's school. If it's Friday, then it's new releases. So it kind of just depends on the day of the week. My schedule works like that. This weekend though, I am trying to work on scheduling a lot more like Instagram posts, and because I let the ball go on that one and I need to get back at it and make sure I'm done editing like the next at least 3 videos, maybe 4, we'll see, for YouTube. So it's a busy week and it's supposed to rain, which makes me like not want to work, but sometimes it does make me want to like draw. So hopefully I will want to like edit instead, but we'll see, like no promises on that one. Okay, everyone, that is it for this week. Thank you so much for watching. Just in case you missed it, this is the Bloom in Blue kit now in the shop. I will link that one down in the description. And if you have any kit suggestions for future kits, like in colors or a theme you want to see, feel free to always leave that in the comments or message me on either Instagram or in my email. Every once in a while I do ask for suggestions because I'm always working on new things. So even if I'm not working on something specifically for like the following week, I'm always working on something at least now a month in advance. So like I said, I am working on Easter, and then after that it's going to be summer. But if you do have something that can get released in between that, feel free to leave that suggestion because I'm always free to suggestions. I can always try to work it into my schedule. That is it for me. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you're subscribe for more videos and vlogs. I did put up a vlog last week in case you missed that. And that is it for me. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye, everyone.